Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 970 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. So to change the language on our watch, first we need to open the settings on it. So press and hold the up button to open the menu, then scroll down and tap on the watch settings. In settings we need to go to the bottom of the menu and tap on the system option, and here we need to find the option called language, and once we find it we need to tap on it. And right here we have the list of languages. Scroll through the list you would like to, or rather scroll through the list and find the language you would like to use on your watch, my bad. And once you find the language you would like to use, tap on it to select it and it will be applied in few seconds. And now when we open the menu, the language should be changed. We can also change the language through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. I'm gonna bring the phone that is paired with my watch right here, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. Like this. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Garmin Connect application. Here we can tap on More, Garmin Devices, and select our Forerunner 970. On the settings page, we need to scroll down, tap on System, and here we have the language option. We can tap on it, scroll through the list, find the language we want to use, tap on it, and once you select the language, it should be applied automatically. Like this. If for some reason it doesn't apply the language, you could always try to force sync the devices, and after the sync, the changes should be applied. Okay, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.